Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the topic rules of inference. The contents are what are rules of inference, different rules of inference, what are arguments, and examples for arguments. Coming to what are rules of inference. Rules of inference. Every theorem in mathematics or any subject for that matter is supported by underlying proofs. These proofs are nothing but a set of arguments that are conclusive evidence of the validity of the theory. The arguments are chained together using rules of inferences to deduce new statements and ultimately prove that the theorem is valid. Argument: a sequence of statements and premises that end with a conclusion. The compound proposition by prefixing if to P and prefixing them then to Q represents P, Q, that is P implies Q. The different types of rules of inferences are: the first rule is P and Q, which is implies to P. The name of the rule is conjunctive simplifications. So the second rule of inference is P or Q, which implies to P. The name of the rule is disjunctive simplification. The third rule is P then Q and Q then R, which implies P then Q. The rule name is syllogism. The fourth rule is and not Q and P and Q, which implies to negation of P. The rule name is modus tollens. The fifth rule is P and P then Q, which implies Q. The rule name is modus ponens. Some few more rules are negation of P then Q, which implies P, negation of P and then Q, which implies negation of Q, negation of P and P or Q, which implies Q. What are arguments? The argument is a set of statements or propositions which contains premises and conclusion. Arguments are an important part of logical reasoning and philosophy. It also plays a vital role in mathematical proofs. Logical proofs can be proven by mathematical logic. The proof is a valid argument that determines the truth values of mathematical statements. An example for arguments are: let us assume P, Socrates is human, Q, Socrates is immortal. We can then write the given argument as P then Q, P, which therefore it gives Q. The order of the statements in the argument does not matter as long as the conclusion remains at the very bottom. P, P and Q, which gives the answer as therefore Q. We note that the conclusion is true because the argument is identical to the modus ponens. Thank you.